Welcome to Lockdown Learner. Now we are going to start with do while loop. Earlier we have learned while loop and for loop. Now it is a last loop, do while loop. Okay. Now let us see in do while loop. The do while loop checks the condition at the end of the loop. Now in while loop we are checking condition first, and in for loop also we are initializing, then we are checking condition part, and then we are increment and decrement. Okay, but inside, like in do while loop, the condition is checked at last. So this means the statement inside the loop body will execute it at least one if the condition is never true. If condition is not true, because condition we are checking in last, so statement will run only once. Okay guys, now you are knowing like where you have to use do while loop. Now if the number of iteration is not fixed and you must have to execute the loop at least one. Okay, here is like the body execute point this thing at least once. Earlier we are knowing like why we have to use a while loop when we have not a fixed number of iteration, when we use a for loop when we have a fixed number of iteration, and when we have use a do while loop when we have to execute once a statement if it is true or not. It is true or not, the statement will execute once because we are checking condition at last. In this syntax you can see the do part here. Here will come the statements, and here the while loop, and followed by a semicolon. Okay guys, now let us see this part in Eclipse. Now what we have to do is we have to like check the numbers are negative or not. Okay, we have to display a positive number less than that n. Like suppose I have inputted n as 10, and it will display like 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, like this. Okay, do, then inside this is, now we have to print system dot out dot println. Okay, now we have to write here is n, and you can simply do n minus minus here also, and then you have to check a condition here while n should be greater than 0. Okay, now let us run this program and see. Like suppose I write 12, you can see here it is like printing 12 1. It is right for this, but suppose I'm putting here minus 1. Now see, it is displaying minus 1 because at least 1 it will run if the condition is true or not, because condition we are checking in at last. Okay, at first time I am telling you, not on the last time it will execute one. On first time it will execute once. Like see, 1 minus 1 is printing here, it's not printing minus 2 and all this. So it will execute every statement once. So I will prefer choosing mainly for loop and while loop, and if you have to print once a statement, then you can use a do while loop. Okay guys, thank you. Thanks for watching this video. Kindly do subscribe to our channel, hit the like button, and share this video for a better reach. Okay guys, thank you.